stuffing right there. There's the Allen Road bench. There's the plaza. Jail's on the other side. There's Kiel. Wait a minute, shoot. That's bad. There's that stuff right here. There we go. Yeah, so that's stuff, and that's York. No, yeah, we're in York, and that's Allen Road. There's the big plaza next to Steele's. Getting real low now. So there's Kiel. There's the 400 and there's Jane. The disgusting Jane and Finch. Gears coming down. There's the 400 and the 407. The IKEA and the Dave & Buster's. And now we're just coming over the 400 and Shepherd, and we might be going on a 2-4 left. So there's Shepherd, and there's the 400. And there's Finch right over there, intercepting with the 400. The Home Depot Distribution Center. There's Western Road. That's because it's a gusty approach. Yeah, very gusty. Flaps are fully extended, just about now. Yeah, it's just about to get really bumpy into approach. There's the Woodbine Racetrack. It's Islington, hooking up with Rexdale. There's the 401 below it. Right there's the 401. Home Depot and the Sears Tower. There's the 409. Kipling, Belfield. 409, just getting into the airport. It's 6 degrees. It's what that sign is saying. Getting real low now. Martin Grove. And it's getting really bumpy now. Oh yeah. There's the Radisson Hotel. Swiss Chalet and the Tim Hortons intersection. Yeah, we're on approach to 2-4 left. And there's Highway 27 and Dixon, and there's all those buildings. Can't remember what that road is called. Oh well. People should see us now from Aviation World. I'm just kidding, they won't be down there. But there it is. There's Aviation World and the landing strip. There's Hooters, there's Car and Gear, there's 427, there's Silver Dart, and down we go. On to 2-4 left. There's the Terminal 1, there's the Emirates. Oh my god, we're gonna have a bumpy landing. And here we go. There's an Air Canada taking off, and bang. Whoa. And there's our landing. Touchdown in Toronto. Mississauga. And there's a plane taking off of 2-3. There we go. Just came off 2-4 left. Soon about to cross 2-4 right. And the flaps are going up.
Welcome to Toronto, where the local time is 9:13. That brings us in 12 minutes early. We certainly hope that doesn't inconvenience anyone.
2-4 right.
But that, of course, is due to the hard work of your flight attendants. Why are they laughing? We usually get applause. Thanks. The possibility of a quick turn or a sudden stop does require that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. I'm just going to go over that one more time for you. You're going to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the airplane has been parked at the gate, and the seatbelt signs have been turned off, indicating it's safe for us all to stand. Please take caution when opening those overhead bins. Some of you carry on goodies might be really excited to see what have shifted during the flight. And if you'd be so kind as to take all your personal belongings with you, that'd be great. But if you're going to leave anything, make sure it's expensive, because we get to divvy that between us. Ladies, you must take husbands, boyfriends, and children, or can't leave those behind you. Now, if you happen to have your cell phone in your hand or your pocket, you're free to use that now, just as long as you don't disturb the bag you're reaching for underneath the seat right now. Leave it where it is. All those bags have to remain stowed. Oh, and to our smoking guests, you've made it 5.5 hours. You can consider yourself a non-smoker now. However, if you must have that cigarette, just wait until you're inside the terminal, outside the terminal, in your car with the windows rolled up on your way home. Perfect. Now, when we get to the gate, we're going to be met by a smiling WestJet customer service agent who will meet and greet the flight and tell you where to go.
Air Canada.
Oh, for your bags or any connecting flights, of course. Speaking of baggage, we all have some, but yours is going to be in the carousel within about 20 minutes of your arrival there. If Toronto's home, like it is for this crew, lucky you, you're home. If not, enjoy your stay in the Toronto area or wherever your final destination may take you. We do know they have choices out there. We certainly are glad you chose to fly with WestJet today and hope to see you again in the very near future. Safe home, folks.